Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by validating power and basic hardware because most boot cycles fail there. Plug a known good charger into the USB-C port and watch the charge LED and battery icon. If nothing changes, hold power for 10 seconds to force shutdown, then press power once to try a normal start. Make sure to unplug all peripherals, SD cards, and USB drives so the system isn't trying to boot from external media. This eliminates simple conflicts before deeper fixes. Once done with hardware checks, you move to software diagnostics because crashes often come from corrupt updates or bad apps. Boot into guest or recovery mode and note any explicit errors. This tells you whether OS files are missing. In settings, apply any pending Chrome OS and firmware updates to fix known issues. If the system won't boot normally, make a recovery USB using another computer and test booting from it. That isolates software corruption from hardware failure. You finish by returning the software to a known good state. Back up to Google Drive, then perform a power wash to remove user-level corruption. This often resolves repeated reboot loops. If power wash doesn't work, reinstall Chrome OS from the recovery USB you made earlier. This replaces system files. Finally, if the device still turns on and off, check battery health and seek hardware repair. One troubleshooting tip. If the Chromebook works with charger attached but not on battery,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.